Itemine ria kuhurana na ng'aragu guku bururi-ini, ministry ya urimi ni iranire gukorwo ikigura irio nyumu kuma nja wa bururi niguo kuhuthia ngarama ya muturire. Irio ici ni hamwe na mbembe undu umwe na mucere. Minister Mithika Linturi akiuga kurehwo gwacio no njira imwe ya gwetereria irio iria ire migunda-ini ikorwo igikura, akiranira ati ica-ini ikuhi mathogora ma irio ni megukorwo magicoka thi.
So we are not doing it because we want, but the projections are so bad that if we do not do it, our people will die for lack of food. Yeah. So the mitigation measures that we have in the short term, as we plan ourselves to grow more food in another 6 months or so.
Linturi aritio uu hindi ya icera kambuni-ini ya wendia wa macani kaunti-ini ya Mombatha kurieranire thirikari no iguthie na mbere na kunyitirira kambuni na njira ya kuongerera uguni makiria niguo murimi wa macani one umithio wa wira wake.
Food relief is not sustainable. So we will continue giving people relief, right, or giving them a humanitarian support because it is necessary for us as government to do it, because we will not let our people die. By the end of March, by the end of February, the cost of unga will have come down.
Kuringana na murugamiriri kambuni-ini no ya Gold Crown Tea Peter Kimanga, ni hari bata thirikari ithaitire mathogora ma iguru ma indo na magoti maria marituhitie mihango yao.
There is a huge demand. It can create a lot of employment, but unless those challenges are addressed, we are not being competitive in the global tea market, considering other countries that are producing tea are able to value add in a better way with a friendlier tax regime.
Mwikariri giti wa KTDA David Ishoho augite muoroto munene wa kambuni ino unyitaniri-ini na thirikari ni gutigirira murimi wa macani ni anyitirirwo na indo cia bata cia ukuria wa macani na iguru wa mothe, akona umithio kibeca kumana na urimi wa macani.
We want to come up with our own brand which will become an international brand, and through the intervention of the government and the support of the ministry, we'll be able to really penetrate the market outside the traditional market we have been having before.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.